Is the statement below true or false? The Channel Islands are a part of the UK. The Channel Islands are closely linked with the UK but are not part of it. They have their own governments and are called crown dependencies. Channel Islands जो हैं वो closely linked हैं UK के साथ, वो उसका हिस्सा नहीं है. They have their own governments, उनकी अपनी governments है और उनको crown dependencies बोलते हैं. So the Channel Islands are a part of the UK, which is false. क्योंकि UK का हिस्सा नहीं है. Which of the following is a British overseas territory? Solomon Islands, Australia, Falkland Islands or Malta? So we've already read this, so we should know this now. There are several British overseas territories. Britain की काफी overseas territories हैं in other parts of the world, such as the Falkland Islands. Which two of the following are British overseas territories? Canada and Malaysia, Falkland Islands and St. Helena, Falkland Islands and Malaysia, or Canada and St. Helena. We should know this now, so we'll go straight into it, which is Falkland Islands and St. Helena. Which of the following statements is correct? Scotland, Wales and Northern Ireland have parliaments or assemblies of their own, or Scotland, Wales and Northern Ireland do not have parliaments or assemblies of their own. So the first one is the correct one, because Scotland, Wales and Northern Ireland in सब की अपनी अपनी parliaments और अपनी अपनी assemblies हैं. Which of the following is a British overseas territory? Northern Ireland, Falkland Islands, France or USA? So the answer is Falkland Islands. Which of the following statements is correct? The UK is made up of England, Scotland, Wales and Ireland, or the UK is made up of England, Scotland, Wales and Northern Ireland. So the UK is made up of England, Scotland, Wales and Northern Ireland. The rest of Ireland is an independent country. Is the statement below true or false? The Channel Islands have their own governments. The Channel Islands have their own governments and are called crown dependencies. True. Where is the UK Parliament based? UK की Parliament कहाँ पे based है? The UK is governed by the Parliament sitting in Westminster. So UK की हुकूमत चलाई जाती है Westminster से, जो कि लंदन में है. So we've covered this topic as well, and we have got 100% well done, and I will see you again in the next topic.